Hey guys, how's it going? Brad Picker Nation here. We got the Hot Wheels drag strip rat bomb staring me down here with my picks for today. This is what come in the mail. You've probably seen it in maybe my other video where I'm mauling apart my 2011 factory sealed set from Hotwheelscollector.com. Hooked me up less than a week to get here. I got number 481 out of 550, so they are running out fast. I'm so grateful to have it. Here we go. We've got the GMC motorhome. That's a Red Line exclusive I bought off of eBay. Got a really good deal on it. These are a couple other items I picked up. I've been collecting these castings, and these are variant colors to the ones that I already have, and I picked up this for 99 cents. Check it out, eh? Redline racing with no red lines, but could be my first one I customize. Put some wicked tires on there. Here's a T-Hunt. I picked this up. This is not for myself, even though I don't have it. It's for my buddy that's been selling me all the Hot Wheels at the flea market. I owe him a gift, and I bought this off of eBay. It cost me 30 bucks. I'm going to drop it on him. This is the only hunt he needs for every year. This is the only one he needs. He doesn't even have a computer. Imagine that. Here he is selling at a flea market with no computer. Nice. Anyways, worked out for me. That'll make his day for sure. But let me show you a couple of the other loose mainline versions I've got. The white one came today. I had the blue and the black already. I'm just putting them together, throw them back up in my display. And the red, the purple, the gray Champion, the panel, nice, very nice. The 57 Chevy, the blue one came today, I believe, yeah. Then we got the Mustang, the white one came today, and a couple Camaro. The blue one came today. I missed those because I got on the bandwagon late here. So the holes are filling in very fast around here. Check out my new tubs. I went and bought a bunch more tubs today. Everything's filling up just nice. The stock's beautiful, out of the way. And yeah, that's about it for today, guys. Check out my other videos. And you know, if you're not a subscriber, subscribe. I got all sorts of goofy things going on. Many different types of collections. And I just wanted to say, take care, guys. Thanks for watching. And if you're not a subscriber, subscribe. I'll subscribe right back. So take care and have a great week. And we'll see you on the next video. Ciao.